wanna be anybody else. Hey.
Scene 2, take 1, marker.
And action.
Guess I did it. Finally, I get to host the EMAs.
Seriously? Shut your face. Who else could it be? Who else better than me to be hosting the show? People know who the F I is. I'm a pro.
Okay, awesome, let's go.
Yeah, I'll say it. Congratulations to me. So here we go, another page in my legacy.
We are here at our first shots, and the set looks really cute. It's all pink and beautiful, and I think it'll be perfect for the setup. So we're on the first scene right now, and we're getting started. The pink's gorgeous. It's really cute, and it goes perfect with like the contrast of me being myself and the alter ego.
S-E-L-E-N-A to the Gomez. Yeah, you know I'm the dopest. Listen up, listen up.
Being behind the scenes, picking out the wardrobe, picking out the style, picking out how I create this character has been really fun. Yeah, I'm in this, I'm gonna be more like that.
You want like a little of this?
Yeah, I'm gonna be doing that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Because then I'm even gonna be like, it's awesome. It's really cool. To be able to create this look is really fun. I've never actually had this much creative control over something like this, so it's really funny. Maybe this one then?
This one, yes.
This one?
Yeah.
I'm definitely doing wardrobe changes, but I'm gonna do different kind of wardrobes. I'm gonna do things that are funny and things that are different, things that I've never worn before, so I'm excited for that. This is actually cute. I would wear this, but I'm wearing like a lacy bra.
Okay.
So it's gonna be like literally a bra, and with the tattoo around is something that nobody, even in fashion, would wear. I just know that I've never worn anything like that and showing my stomach. I've never been that exposed, so. It is funny. It's just the whole point of the whole thing of it, of me being always like sweet, and the contrast of this is kind of different. It's the first time for me to kind of let loose and just be silly, and it's kind of awesome.